Taylor with Agri spray drones. If you have a field that looks like this and you want to spray the perimeter, how do you do that? Well, the J150 and the EAVision system, we've got a nifty feature that we like to call toilet bowl. A toilet bowl is kind of a funny way to say just fly around the edge of the field and circle yourself down in the middle. So what this does is it puts one boundary pass around the outside, then it fills in the rest with our regular AB routes. But let's say you want to fly multiple boundary passes and then fly the AB routes. Number of turns, let's do 3. Now we have 3 boundary passes and then we're flying the AB routes. I'll show you how this thing works in the field. J150 just started spraying its first boundary route, and you can see it's painting that line blue as it sprays. And our screen's gonna follow this drone as it goes around the field. They just sprayed the first pass. And this is a very odd shaped boundary. Spraying this manually, you would be on edge watching the screen just like this as you go around the outside. But if you have an accurate boundary, the drone does the work for you. There you see it does these arc turns in here, just like that, an arc turn. And it's going to do this 3 times. Now everything else works exactly as normal. So if we zoom out, we can see there's our ending point. We can see there's our empty tank icon. So it's going to go all the way on this boundary almost 1 complete time, and it's going to leave off right there. And if we get to that point and we have to stop, refill, swap battery, it'll go back to that point and continue that pass from there. We can even do things like change our micron size, change our volume per acre. And there you can see it moves our empty tank icon where it's going to fly around the boundary once and then continue on that second pass of the boundary. This is really nice if you want to get good coverage on the edges of the field, like for a herbicide pass. You have an odd shaped boundary, because flying back and forth and turning on those edges will not get good coverage. You'll end up blowing and concentrating that chemical down in one spot as it turns, where in this case, you can fly slower on the boundary in one continuous loop. There we just made it back to the start point. So I lowered my rate, we could extend our flight path, and there you see it's going on to the next boundary pass without spraying that part right there, and now it's spraying adjacent to that last boundary pass, just working its way in, just like a toilet bowl. You guys saw how I did this, really simple. You just change it, nothing in the boundary changes, all you do is change how the boundary is sprayed. If you guys have any questions, let us know. Thanks.